Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Dira it yourself, it's Lesotho. Today I'm gonna show you how to make simple pillows, scatter cushions for your home using your hands and needle and thread, and yeah, just your handicraft skills. I don't show how to make this, unfortunately. It's a labor of love. I'll put the link of the video on how to make this crochet, this circle. The tassels for the other pillow, that's on one of my first videos of the boho pillow that I made. So you're welcome to watch that. I'll put the card up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll be doing more like home updates. So if you're looking at how to update your home on like a minimal budget and you want something fresh for the year, I know the year is like 26 days, 27 days in, but it doesn't matter. You can spruce up your life whenever, it doesn't matter. Life got in the way of me recording and I want to post more, so I will. So yeah, I'll be doing a few like hacks and stuff to do to just like update your home, make it fresh, and yeah, just to give you a sense of a new space for a new year. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe and let me know what you think.
So this is the pattern for a 52 by 52 centimeter pillow, and I show it for material size of 119 centimeters. Then this is just in percentages in case you wanting to use a different size pillow. So here I'm just showing you that you should iron down the edges, that 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter, and you do it on the inverse side. So here I'm just showing you how the pillow sits on the actual pattern. So here it's on the 55 centimeter section. Here you're overflapping the 25, and here you're overflapping the 35 centimeter edge. So here I'm just showing you to pin down the edges so it's easier for when you start sewing. Here we're using a back stitch method. This is the method that I use for the entire pillow, for sewing all the edges of the pillow. So you first go in from the back and then you just pull down, and then what I did for a start, I went back in again, but you can go forward, but just follow my method, it works. And then you go forward now and you stitch in from the top, and then in from the bottom. So I used wool, as you can see, because I didn't have yarn. I mean thread. I had green cotton thread and I was not going to use that, so I just used wool. It works well. Doesn't help you cheat though, but it works. So here I'm just showing you how to correct a mistake, because it happened to me quite a few times, especially when I wasn't concentrating. You would just basically pull back through the hole, try and place the needle on the hole as close as possible, and you pull through it, and it should work, especially if the needle is a bit thinner. I was using a thicker one, like a yarn needle, because of the wool, and because it's the one that I had at the time that was comfortable and large enough for me to hold. So you just carry on with this backstitch method up until the top, and I'll meet you there. So now we're sewing down the overflap. So the overflap, you will sew that down first, because that will be what will show on the back side of your pillow, and that should have been ironed down. Sorry, I was mixing up my videos, but that at that edge there should be that flap that we did in the beginning with the iron. And then here we're sewing down the the under flap, but we're sewing it last. So this will be on the inside of your pillow, and that will be, yeah, that will be on the inside. Also, ideally good to sew the edge of the material so that it doesn't fray over time, which mine are starting to do, especially the cream pillows, because they sit on the couch. The denim ones are not fraying so much because they don't move around much. They just, people sit on top of them and not move them around and put them on their back, so the material's not fraying. So please stitch the edge if you can, if you're not lazy like I was, or you can glue it down. That works too. So here I'm just showing you how it looks, and this is how your stitch will look. This is the back side of the stitch. So here I'm just showing you an overview of the stitch. You should actually only have 2 sewed sides. I wasn't cutting my material right, so I had to do patching there at the top of the pillow. But you'll have 2 unsewed sides like that, and then 2 sewed sides like that. So if you use material right and you cut it properly, you'll only have 2 sewed edges. And also make sure that you pin it. You can see here I got lazy with the pinning, so my stitch was, I was doing my own things, it's skew. So just stick to the measurements. Here I'm just showing you a quick method on how to get your pillow inside. As you'll see, my pillow is actually quite much smaller than my pillow cover, so that's what helps it to stay nice and puffy and full. I made the pillow cover slightly smaller than the actual pillow. I wonder if these were 52 centimeters. I forgot and I threw away the slip. But anyway, these were really cheap, by the way, the inners at a fabric store. They were like 32 Rand. So if you can, go check out your fabric store. They do make pillow inners and they're very reasonable.
Also, in the video I don't show, but I put this on the front of the pillow. As you can see, this pillow is a feather down. So it in the previous pillowcase, it used to like come out when you like sleep on it or whatever, lie down with it or whatever, and you just have all these feathers or everywhere. So I found that putting that on the front helped a lot.
So you see, when you make them smaller, they're very puffy. This was in the beginning before I started using them. And yeah, I can make seat cover pillows for your couch. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe, and let me know what you think.